welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is a vlog video. Today I got a pretty early start to the day. I dropped the kids off at school, and instead of going back home, I just decided to knock some errands out of the way. Just left Walmart. I'm now at the gas station. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some gas and then head over to Chick-fil-A. I do need to check my mailbox. I'm gonna go to the mailroom, and I think that's about it. I also may show you all the gym that's in my apartment complex, because I really do want to start working out in the gym. I did a Fashion Nova haul I think it was a few days ago now. And in that haul, I expressed how I like high-waisted clothing, or I like clothing that kind of sucks me in because of my belly. And, you know, it's not like I hate my belly or anything like that, but I definitely always want to become my best self. And I know personally that I'm not as healthy as I could be. And I do want to start working out, not only for my stomach to get more toned, but also for my overall health. So I am going to try to start cutting back on coffee. I'm going to try to limit myself to coffee once a day. And because if you watch my vlogs, then you know that I can drink coffee throughout the day. Like, I'll drink coffee in the morning, and sometimes I'll drink it at night, whether I'm trying to stay up or not. I may just drink coffee just because I like the taste. So I'm going to try to cut back on that. I'm also going to try to stick to a consistent workout routine. I did have one last summer and I kind of got away from it, so I'm going to try to pick a workout routine and actually stick with it. So I really don't have too much on the agenda today. I did go ahead and record multiple videos during the end of this week, so that I would have more flexibility to rest and relax. I don't really know what I have on the schedule today besides replying back to DMs and emails. And once I do that, I consider those leads. You know, once I do that, I typically will generate more work. So either like professional biographies or website reviews, or even hair purchases, more dropshipping memberships. So I do stress the importance of selling through relationships, and selling as a solution rather than, you know, just selling the product because you have it. And in order to find out how to fix a problem or how to satisfy a want or a need, you have to, in some way, shape, or form, have a conversation or some type of interaction or relationship with that person to know, unless you're just a mind reader. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I typically like reach out, and then I start conversations or, you know, interact with different people, and I see what it is I can do to offer assistance for what they're wanting to have happen. So if they're wanting like business advice or business action list, then I can go ahead and offer a consultation. If they're looking for a mentor, I can offer that as well. So we're just going to see like where the day takes us. I don't plan on having this day be jammed packed. I know when my husband wakes up, we do have some places to go. So like I said, I really don't like carrying my camera around all the time. Sometimes I actually forget to include different clips. Like, for example, I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip in just a moment. Actually, I'll go ahead and insert it now. So like that clip you just saw, that was when we went out to eat last week. And we just had kind of like a chill day, but I did want to vlog some things we were doing. We went to eat. We went to get some uniforms for his team. Because like I mentioned in some other videos, my husband is an entrepreneur. So he works, you know, right along with me, or I work right along with him. A lot of times I'm traveling with him when he's working, and I just don't like picking up my camera. Honestly, it's not even that I don't like it. I guess I don't think about it. I don't think about picking up my camera recording when I'm with him. Like, I don't know, like we're listening to music. Normally we're cracking jokes, having fun, going out to eat, talking to other people. So I don't know. I don't think of, okay, let's go ahead and grab the phone. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to get better at that, but I'll go ahead and get some gas, and then I'll come back with you all in just a moment. I just prepaid for gas and it's not working.
What number are you on?
Number 10.
What number 10? She prepaid, she says not working. Hold on one second.
Okay, so I got gas. I don't know what was going on with the pump. I prepay all the time. I always do that now that I know that if you pay at the pump, there's a good chance that you're going to have a hold on your card. And that came to me as a surprise a few years back when I was pumping gas. And I'm like, why is everyone going in and paying when you can just pay at the pump? They may not know, they must not know that they can just simply pay here. And I was having that mentality, think smarter, not harder. And so I went ahead and I paid, and then I went to make another purchase or something, and I got an alert on my card because I had my card set up where my checking account got under a certain amount, I would be notified or alerted. So I got an alert, and they were like, your account's under, I think it was like $200 or $100 or something like that. And I'm like, well, how? Because I keep a certain amount of my checking, enough for me to be able to get, you know, what I need, or, you know, have a little bit of extra money in case I see something I like. But I do try to, you know, keep a lot of my money, or try to keep a good portion of my money in savings, or, you know, my business, or, you know, just different things. But anyways, I noticed that my account was lower than what I anticipated. So I called, and it was like $150 hold. And they were like, yeah, there's a hold of $150. That happens when you pay at the pump, depending on your financial institution, and depending on this and depending on that. And I'm like, okay. So I just don't pay at the pump anymore. So I prepaid, and for some reason it wasn't working. So I hung up the nozzle, and the funds went right back to my card. So we're not right back, but I'm sure they'll be back in a few days. So then I went up and I told the clerk what happened, and she pretty much said that she can't do anything about it. I'll have to go ahead and pay again. And then she walked to the pump with me to make sure that it was going to work this time, and it did. So that was a lot more than I anticipated today getting gas, but it's okay. It's okay. Still got gas, and we're still rolling good. So now I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A to get, I think I'm going to get a chicken sandwich and a frosted coffee. That's what I think. I'm not sure yet. But that's what I'm thinking I'm going to get for breakfast. So I'll go ahead and pause the vlog here, and I'll pick you all back up once I get to Chick-fil-A. No, for Brittney.
For Brittney? Okay. I'm going to give you the frosted coffee.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, so I got Chick-fil-A. I actually remember that I have a meeting at 10. Can I go out this way? And this meeting is for a possible business collaboration with a text marketing company. I don't know how I'm going to, I don't even know if I'm going to vlog that meeting, just for respect and privacy. But I do have that meeting at 10. Right now it's 9. Sanitizer. So it gives me enough time to go home, get something to eat, and chill out for a minute before I have to do that meeting. And it's just a virtual meeting, so I don't have to be any place special or anything like that. But before I go home, I do want to check my mail, and I also want to show you all the workout room if there's not a lot of people in there. If there is, I'm probably going to just hold off on showing you all, just because I don't want to get in anybody's way while they're exercising. I have gone there a few times, and I've even taken my kids down there. My husband's gone with us sometimes. It's really nice. I enjoy it, but my whole thing is I don't really know. I'm new to exercising. You know, the exercising that I have done before have been, you know, it's been like running around or walking, sit-ups, and I'm not taking anything away from those type of exercises, but when I'm at the gym, they have different equipment, you know, and I don't know what I should be doing. So I normally get on the bike and I try to, you know, pedal for a minute, and then I get on the treadmill. But I do think that I should do some more research and figure out exactly which exercises are going to tone up my stomach area. And I also want to do cardio just to have a healthier heart. So I'm going to do some more research regarding the exercising portion, and then I'm also going to start eating differently, starting with scaling back coffee. I'm going to increase my water intake, and I just want to figure out what I can do to supplement some of the bad habits as far as the food that I eat with more healthy choices. Not saying that I'm going to eat completely healthy all the time, but you know, I don't know, I think that I should start implementing some healthy habits. So yep, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Chick-fil-A, I did get a chicken sandwich, and I also got some fries, and I got the frosted coffee. So I really don't like to eat on camera. I will, but I don't like it, like I mentioned in some vlogs, so I might not eat on camera either. I'll go ahead and pick you all back up once I get to the mail room, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, let's see what type of mail we got, if any. Let's see if there's anyone in the workout room. So they changed it around a little bit since I've last been in here. So I don't know which equipment I should be using. I'm thinking that I'll probably try this one. That's what I normally do. No, actually, that's not that one. I normally do the treadmill, and then I normally do like these ones. So, yeah. And then they have a little kid room too that my youngest son sits in. So, I don't want to show you all too much, but I just want to show you a little bit of where I'm probably going to be at a little bit more often. So I'm going to use the restroom, and then we'll head to the house. Okay, so I got the mail, showed you a little bit of the workout room that I'm probably going to be in a little bit more. I don't know if I'm going to vlog my workout journey. I may not. Didn't have too much mail at all. I just had like some promotional flyer, and then I also had a medical bill that I'm hoping my insurance will cover. So that's about it. So let me go ahead and drive around to the house, and I will pick y'all back up once I get in. Okay. Okay, so like I mentioned, I do have a meeting at 10:30, and I'm gonna try to log on from my tablet, and I'll probably just mute the conversation if there's information that is gone over that needs to be private. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this link. It is 10:30 exactly. Normally I try to be like at least 5 minutes early, but I just got off another call. It wasn't for business, it was for, you know, like personal. I was actually overcharged for a storage unit, so I'm working on that too. And then after this, I need to call UPS, so I'll be making a few more calls, but I'm waiting to get in right now. It says the host has another meeting in progress. So I'm gonna hang out for about maybe 5, possibly 10 minutes, and then I'll probably reschedule if their meeting is running over. Well, it is running over, but if it goes over like 5 or 10 minutes, I'll probably reschedule. And I'm talking a little bit low because my husband is asleep, and the door is open, so I don't want to be too loud, but I still hope that you all can hear me. So just waiting. I will check back with you all once I hit that 5-10 minute mark and let you know if I was able to get in or not. So I will pick the camera back up in just a moment. All right, so it's actually 5 minutes past the time. I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. While I'm waiting though, I am gonna, this hair is getting in my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and put ads in another video that I am planning on uploading. So let me go ahead and do that. Let's see. Okay, that video is not fully uploaded yet. So it looks like something's on my forehead. Okay, I have to wait a little while longer. Thought I could continue to work while I was waiting. Just got a text message. Okay, so yeah, I'll be back with you all in just a moment.